guys, welcome back to another episode of Hair Matters with Sonia. You know Sonia is here to give you trendy hairstyle, creative hairstyle, beautiful hairstyle, and I hope you guys have seen my previous video where I use X-Pression natural yaki to achieve a blunt cut hairstyle. So for those of you that have not seen that video, I will drop the link in the description box below. Guys, I got a lot of requests from viewers asking how they are going to achieve jumbo locks hairstyle. So I will be using X-Pression Bouncy Kinky to achieve jumbo locks hairstyle. I'm using this product to achieve this hairstyle because it is super light, it is skin friendly, and it lasts longer. To learn from this video, I will advise you stay tuned and keep watching. So let's dive right into the making. What I'm about to do right now is to section the hair into medium sizes. So I'm going to do this all the way to the top, and I'm going to do 25 sections of the hair. And as I do this, I use rubber band to secure the hair to make it a ponytail. So like I said, I'm going to do this all the way to the top, and I'm doing 25 pieces. So guys, do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and give the video a thumbs up. This is it. So right now I will be passing X-Pression Bouncy Kinky underneath the rubber band and hide her natural hair in between the products, then take another piece of products and start wrapping. So I'm going to do this all the way to the top. I will be using color 1 and 33. So I took another strand and wrapped it from the base all the way to the tip of the hair. Then I just wrap it to make sure it is super secure. Then I use my hand to just wrap it up. That's all. I'm going to do a concentrated color mixing. I'm doing it sparsely. That means the color 33 is going to be sparsely on the hair. So guys, please do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give the video a thumbs up. Drop your comment on the comment section below, and do not forget to share the video with your family and friends. And wow, we are done. So I'm actually spraying oil sheen to make her scalp shine and to protect her natural hair from breakage. So I gelled the front of her hair to give it that baby look. And applying got-to-be spray to make the hair last longer and to give it a little shine, and voila, we are so done. So please do not forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and drop your comments in the comment section below. Guys, this is the outcome of the jumbo locks I achieved with X-Pression Bouncy Kinky. So I hope you find this video interesting. I hope you find this video easy to learn from. For my next video, I will be selecting randomly a model. I'm gonna style our hair. Follow us on all our social media XP for you to get instruction on how to qualify. See you in my next video. Bye for now.